Greetings everyone. Today we have with us Dr. Priyesh Gandhi, who is currently spearheading Sigma Institute of Engineering Vadodara as principal. He has more than 16 years of academic experience and has obtained a PhD MTech from Nirma University. He has received Visionary Leader of the Year 2019 and Exemplary Academic Leader of the Year 2019 awards by CEGR. He is working as a reviewer for many reputed journals and conferences. He has delivered many expert talks at various states and national level workshops and has published and presented more than 60 papers in international journals and conferences. I would like to thank Dr. Priyesh Gandhi for being a part of our College Dunia initiative, Thoughtful Leaders, and giving us his precious time to interview him. On that note, let's start with the first question, sir, which is, you have held key positions at various educational institutes throughout your professional career. So what are the key factors that has kept you connected with education sector in general?
Okay, Namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. First of all, thank you College Dunia for having me to share my views on education, what Sigma Institute of Engineering and what we are doing and how differently we are doing. Well, let me put in this way. I am a born teacher and teacher by choice, not by chance. I strongly believe that education is the only way to change the course of life and remove the poverty from the country and will help India to become the next super. I would like to mention that through this profession, we can build and shape the careers of thousands of students, and that is the most satisfying thing as a teacher for me. The teacher is most respectable and influencing person of the society. It can create huge impact to transform the society and to build the nation through young minds of the country. The most admirable thing for this profession is the respect that you can earn in the society is incredible, and it cannot be matched with anything.
Thank you, sir. That was a good response. On that note, we'd like to move on to our next question, which is, how does the curriculum of Sigma Institute of Engineering ensure that the best practices of the industry are followed?
Okay. The Sigma Institute of Engineering is one of the top-notch engineering institutes imparting high-quality technical education, situated at Vadodara, affiliated to Gujarat Technological University of Ahmedabad, and approved by All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, New Delhi. We offered wide variety of programs and courses in various disciplines of engineering and management at undergraduate and postgraduate. The institute offers diploma engineering and bachelor of engineering in electronics and communication, information technology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and automobile engineering. In postgraduate, we offer Master of Engineering in 3 courses, namely computer engineering, electrical engineering, and thermal engineering. With that, we also offer Master of Business Administration and MBA. Institute is affiliated with the Gujarat Technological University. The university revises the syllabus for all courses every 4 years. Apart from that, we depute our faculty members for industrial training for 15 days to 1 month every year, so that they can understand the challenges, problems, opportunities, work culture, and advanced technology in more efficient way, and they will bring the best of industry academia and reciprocate to the students. Even we promote the internship programs among the students between semester breaks, so that all aspiring graduates coming out of the institutes after the final year exam, they are industry ready. We also offer various short-term courses, certificate courses through continuing education in collaboration with Gujarat Technological University, Ahmedabad, to create more skillful workforce of students, professionals to cater the need of industries. Yes, ma'am.
That's really wonderful to hear, sir. And I'm definitely sure that through the curriculum, we ensure that the students of Sigma Institute of Engineering are able to achieve, greater heights. On that note, let's move on to our next question, which is, we are all aware about the Sigma Group of Institute, and it has made a place for itself in the industry and is a very well-known college pan Gujarat. So, what is that goal that Sigma Institute of Engineering would like to achieve over the next 10 years, and what would be its top priority in that?
Yes. The top priorities for the institute over next 10 years would be, first, to implement the National Education Policy 2020 declared by the Government of India more effectively and efficiently. To become the one of the top most preferred destination for engineering and management education in all branches for students across the world. At present, more than 50 international students are taking their education from 15 different countries like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan, Angola, Portugal, Ivory Coast from Sigma Institute of Engineering. To provide excellence, ambience for research-driven education and to help the young minds to take up the challenges faced by the society and industries and to innovate the new ideas, to come out with the solutions and products which are widely accepted in form of startups, and to fulfill the vision of the institute and country to make India truly Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-dependent and self-reliant India.
Mhm.
So these are the priorities for the next 10 years for Sigma Institute of Engineering.
That's really great, sir, and I hope that Sigma Institute of Engineering achieves all the goals and milestones that it has set in its mind. And I wish you good luck for that. On that note, let's move on to our next question, which is you have a rich academic experience of 16 years of academic experience essentially. So when you came to Sigma Institute of Engineering, you might have a vision in mind. So what was essentially the vision for the engineering college, and how far are you along in implementing it currently?
Yes, I strongly believe that, and as an educational institute, our vision and mission should be in line with the vision and mission of the company. And all our action should be such that it will help the society and country at large and to accomplish the aspiration of youth. But more precisely, the Sigma Institute of Engineering is committed to develop an institute of eminence in technical education and research to provide engineering graduates who are technologically advanced. It aims to provide intellectually inspiring environment of learning, research, creativity, innovation, to inculcate and nurture the ethical and moral values in students. So far, we have done well, and our graduates are accepted by the research institute, academia, and industries. For further implementation of our vision, we are committed and taken as a mission for the betterment of the students and as a large for the society and country.
That's really wonderful to hear, sir. And on that note, let's move on to our next question, which is students are always searching for information on the internet. As the Gen Z is that kind of generation which searches information and it takes the decision for itself. So, what would you like the aspiring students to know about Sigma Institute of Engineering that they may not be knowing, and which would make them choose Sigma over any other college?
When I talk about Sigma Group, we offer education from KG to PG, which includes schools, engineering, management, pharmacy, and paramedical education. We focus on overall development of students, including personality development, aptitude, attitude, soft skills, leadership skills, quality education, and education beyond the books and syllabus. Therefore, throughout the year, we organize extracurricular and curricular activities such as seminars, workshops, expert lectures, industrial visit, SSIT screening, patent drafting and filing workshops, tech fest, sports activity, annual day, and many more, which will help the students to grow and to develop all aspects of life and to complete the journey from smart to genius and bright to brilliant. The institute has virtual lab in collaboration with IIT Bombay, which helps students in conduction of practicals from home. Institute has vibrant students chapter of IST New Delhi and Indian Plastic Institute. Looking at the present scenario, challenges and opportunities of present and future, Institute has vibrant and active training placement cell, well supported by department placement coordinators, through which we train and mold the engineering students to become industry ready. The training placement cell organizes the placement drives, mega job fairs, so that all graduates coming out of the institute will have job on their hand. Institute has entrepreneurship and incubation cell and nodal institute through which many startups were registered and established their own businesses and companies, and they are doing great. Through Nodal Institute, we help students to become the entrepreneur who can lead the country and world and help the country become Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-dependent Bharat and self-reliant. Sigma Institute of Engineering produces engineering graduates who are technologically advanced and ready to face the challenges presented by ever-changing technology, and they are highly motivated to convert the challenges into the opportunities. For students' recreation in campus, we have swimming pool, gymnasium, international standard cricket ground with all indoor and outdoor sports facilities. Apart from engineering education, we focus on overall and holistic development of students so that they become global citizens. I would like to mention that we have excellent pool of faculties and staff members who are qualified, well qualified, experienced, dynamic, dedicated for all-round development of students. Many of them are PhD and pursuing PhDs for the benefit of the stakeholders of the society, and as a part of CSR gesture, Sigma Trust has awarded scholarships worth more than 5 crore rupees, helping approximately 200 meritorious scholar students of 10th and 12th standards for current academic season. In recent Times Engineering Institute Ranking Survey 2020, the institute ranked 85 among the top 150 engineering institutes, 74 among the top 100 private engineering institutes in India, and ranked 20 in West.
That's really wonderful to hear, sir. And I hope that all the aspiring students are listening to this and choose to come to Sigma Institute of Engineering given the benefits of it. On that note, let's move on to our last question. We are in the midst of pandemic currently. Any suggestions that you would like to give the current youth and aspiring students to motivate them and lead them in the right direction?
Sure. Our Honorable Prime Minister has launched many campaigns time to time, such as Make in India, Digital India, Startup India, Stand Up India, and recent one, Atmanirbhar Bharat, to boost the manufacturing sector in India so that all the items, including satellite, cell phones, television, submarines, ships, aircrafts, automobiles, including all electronics items will get manufactured in India. So these campaigns have boosted the engineering job sector market in Gujarat and India. At this point, I would like to advise all aspiring youth that they should acquire good quality education and they should pursue with the degree engineering course of their choice. The ample amount of good opportunities waiting for aspiring engineering graduates at their doorstep, which will uplift the standard of living and will make India the next superpower. The slogan of Sigma Group is knowledge is power, and I strongly believe that 21st century is the century of knowledge and wisdom. This is what Sigma Group of Institute believes, and that I would like to advise to the current youth that they should never stop acquiring knowledge through higher qualification. With that, keep attitude high and positive for yourself, others, life. Ultimately, your attitude will determine the highest altitude in your life. So I would like to welcome all at Sigma Group of Institute and Sigma Institute of Engineering, Vadodara. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for giving us your valuable time. It was wonderful interacting with you. And on that note, I would like to end the interview. Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us and being a part of this initiative, Thoughtful Leaders. Thank you, sir.